Today, I'll show you how to move elements in Webflow, a powerful tool for designing responsive websites. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding how to efficiently move elements within your Webflow project is crucial for creating a visually appealing and user-friendly site. Let's dive right in and make sure you feel confident in maneuvering your design elements with ease. First things first, let's head over to webflow.com. Open your favorite web browser and type in the URL. Once the page loads, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and create one to follow along with this tutorial. Webflow offers a variety of templates and tools that can help bring your design ideas to life, so it's worth getting familiar with the platform. Next, you'll want to select the project you're working on. When you log in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all your projects. Find the site you want to edit and click on it to open the designer interface. This is where all the magic happens. The designer is your workspace offering a range of options to customize and adjust your site's layout and components. Now that you're in the designer, it's time to select the element you want to move. You can do this by simply clicking on the element within the visual canvas or by using the navigator panel on the left side of your screen. The navigator panel is especially handy if your page has many overlapping elements, as it provides a clear tree structure of your site's hierarchy. Click on the desired element, and you'll notice that it's highlighted, indicating it's selected and ready for editing. Once you've selected your element, you're ready to move it. You can do this in a couple of ways. The first method is by clicking and dragging the element to the desired location on your canvas. As you drag, guides will appear to help you align the element perfectly with others, ensuring a balanced and cohesive layout. This method is intuitive and offers a hands-on approach to adjusting your design. Alternatively, you can use the position settings in the style panel on the right side of your screen. This option is perfect for those who prefer precise control over their layout. Within the style panel, you'll find options to adjust margins, positioning, and more. You can enter specific values to nudge your element exactly where you want it, which is particularly useful for creating consistent spacing and alignment across your site. And there you have it. With a bit of practice, moving elements in Webflow will become second nature. Remember, whether you're dragging elements around or fine-tuning their position in the style panel, Webflow's tools are designed to help you create professional and polished websites efficiently. Keep experimenting and don't be afraid to try out different layouts to see what works best for your design goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on mastering Webflow and other design tools. Happy designing!